Why Japanese seniors live longer. In Japan, something remarkable is happening. People in their 80s and 90s are still active, independent, and deeply engaged with life. They walk to nearby markets. They cook their own meals. They care for gardens. And many of them live well past 100 years of age. This isn't luck, and it isn't magic. It's the result of small, quiet habits practiced every single day, often without even realizing how powerful they are. Today, we're going to explore why Japanese seniors live longer, healthier, and more fulfilling lives, not through extreme diets or expensive treatments, but through a way of living that protects both body and mind over time. They never retire from life. In many parts of the world, retirement means stopping work, stopping routines, stopping responsibility. But in Japan, retirement doesn't mean withdrawing from life. Instead, older adults simply shift roles. Some help in family businesses, some volunteer, others care for gardens, grandchildren, or local spaces. This ongoing sense of usefulness is deeply important. Japanese culture embraces a concept called Ikigai, a reason to wake up each morning. It doesn't have to be big. It can be something as simple as tending plants or greeting neighbors. Having a reason to get up gives structure to the day. Structure gives stability, and stability supports mental and physical health. When people feel needed, they stay engaged. When they stay engaged, their bodies stay active. And when their minds stay active, aging slows down. They eat with restraint, not restriction. Japanese seniors don't diet. They don't count calories. They don't obsess over food trends. Instead, they follow a simple idea that's been passed down for generations. Eat until you're almost full. This practice, often called Hara Hachi Bu, means stopping at about 80% fullness. It prevents overeating without creating deprivation. Meals are typically smaller, portions are modest, and food is eaten slowly with attention. Traditional meals focus on fish, vegetables, rice, fermented foods, and soups. Processed foods are limited. Sugar intake is low. Eating slowly allows the body time to recognize fullness. It reduces strain on digestion, and over time it helps maintain a healthy weight without effort. Food isn't rushed, it's respected. Movement is part of everyday life. Japanese seniors don't rely on structured exercise programs. They move naturally throughout the entire day. They walk to shops instead of driving. They clean their own homes. They garden. They stretch. They stand, sit, and move often. This constant, gentle movement keeps joints flexible and muscles active. It supports balance and circulation, and it reduces the risk of sudden decline. Instead of exhausting workouts, they rely on consistency. Small movements repeated daily are more powerful than occasional intense exercise. Their bodies stay used to motion, and that makes all the difference as they age.